Watching isn't enough anymore. If your audience doesn't engage, your content is invisible. Engagement is not optional. It's the lifeline of your growth. Most creators focus on views, likes, or even followers count, but they forget a simple truth. Engagement is the real currency. It's mandatory, the engagement. Every comment, share, and save signals to the algorithm that your content matters. Without it, even the most excellent content gets lost. Here's the hard part. Engagement doesn't happen by chance. It's intentional. It's asking questions, sparking conversation, and inviting your audience to interact. Think of it like this. A post without engagement is a tree falling in a forest. If no one responds, did it even make an impact? An engagement should be made on real time. It should not be done on a credit. You do not tell your engagers, your followers, your supporters, I am busy right now. I would be engaging you later. No, no, no. Engagement is not optional. It's mandatory. You should know that. Don't rely on passive scrolling. Every second counts. Dead air, weak hooks, or vague calls to actions can silently ruin retention. Engagement is not just a metric. It's a reflection of your ability to connect, to spark curiosity, and to create a community that cares. Stop posting and hoping. Start asking, provoking, and interacting. Make engagement non-negotiable. Your content deserves it, and so do your viewers.